Blockchain Document Exchange Protocol, accompanied with Document Notarization Service, enables users to send, receive, and notarize any kind of personal, legal, financial, or other kind of documents or digital data, such as real estate ownership clauses, marriage or birth certificates, will testimonials, private photos, videos, and more. In short, 4thtech offers a solution where electronic data and document transactions can be processed and verified safely and with no third-party intermediary. Please beware that the current document upload limitation is 20 megabytes.
Before starting the blockchain document exchange and notarization process, please check the 4thtech wallet installation tutorial. After the successful login, the 4thtech application opens. The application menu appears on the left with a simple menu structure. Dashboard tab reveals the blockchain wallet address, the transaction gas balance, and the quick received documents overview. The Tokens tab opens Token Send option submenu, where you can share the cryptographic tokens between wallet accounts to provide sufficient transaction gas balance to execute transactions. Documents tab opens three submenus: Send, View, and Verify. The Send submenu opens a Send document dialog. For the sake of this tutorial, let's make a transaction from Jane's wallet to the wallet of the buyer of Jane's real estate, Johan. Jane needs to send Johan a signed real estate contract. To do that, Jane needs Johan's 4thtech wallet address. Johan prefers the 4thtech solution over email attachment because he needs to be sure that the agreed upon contract cannot be changed, accessed, or intercepted between the electronic document exchange. The Send dialog contains 5 data input fields. Fill the requested fields and upload the file or document in question. Be very careful to paste the correct recipient blockchain wallet address. The transactions are non-reversible. Depending on the selected blockchain network gas fee, the transaction gas price in 4 tokens will appear below. Please ensure the sufficient gas wallet balance and hit the Send button to execute immutable, encrypted blockchain document exchange transaction. The confirmation pop-up window will appear, including the transaction link to a designated blockchain explorer. When the transaction is confirmed, the Send document awaits in the recipient wallet. Let's move to Johan's wallet. Johan received the encrypted electronic document to his 4thtech wallet and is able to open it automatically using his unique wallet private key. In the View Document submenu, Johan can review transaction details, including the document timestamp and file checksum. These are the key features which enable document notarization. Johan can also download, view, and save the received document on the local computer. To check the document authenticity, the verification or notarization process must be performed. Let's copy the document checksum. Move to Verify submenu. Paste the checksum code into the checksum form and upload the received document in question into designated file form. Click Verify. If the file checksum matches, the document content has not been changed and the verification is completed.